Hello guys, today I want to show you how to make a beaded bracelet here. So we are going to use a color blue beads with size 6 74 pieces and a crystal size 6 44 pieces and one round crystal size 12. So now and a nylon which is 12 LPS. So now we're going to start with this 8 blue. We will make this first. Okay. So we need to cross the last one. So now we got this now. Now we will put on the left side. We need one blue and two crystals. And crisscross the the right side of nylon we need to put here. As you can see, this one. Okay, you put that like that. And then now we need two more, one blue and one crystal here. Blue. Then one. We have to crisscross the crystals. So now we got 3 crystals, and so now we need two another blue, then white, one crystals on your right side. 1, 2, and a crystal. So you have to crisscross again. So now we got this, and So you have to put a left side nylon here. You see here. Okay. So now we got. So now we only need two blue here on your left side. Okay, now we got one round here. So after this, you will just need to continue until you get 11. Right here, let's see this. Okay, so here you have 1, 2, 3, 11. So 11, we need to make 11, so 10 more. Here we go, guys. Since now that we are finished on our 11 here, we're going to work on our lock. Okay, see, on our big crystals. So at first we have to make this right side nylon to bring it here on your left side, like this. Put this on this one. So here, so now we will work on our left side. We need to bring it here, this on this one. Okay, okay, now we got a nylon on our right side and left side. So now we need to put this. So here we need this one. Okay, we will do the same thing like this. Okay, so for this we need to crisscross this our big crystal here like this. See, this will be our lock for the bracelet. So now we need to repeat to put that again, to put it back again. This right side nylon we need to bring back on your left side. Here. So now we got this. So we will work on our nylon on our left side. We will have to bring it on your right side. Okay? Like I just did. So, okay. So now we have to put it again. Your right side nylon. You need to crisscross right side and left side. Need to crisscross again on our big crystals. So now we need to lock this. So we almost done. So we have, as you can see, I need to bring this right side nylon on here, so on the center. Yeah, you see this on this one. Yeah, see here. So after this, I need to bring it on this one. So our right nylon will be here. So okay, you need to put it on this one, on these crystals. Okay, now that we are done on our right side, we will go on our left side. We'll work on our left side. Now, do the same thing we did on our left side. So, we're going to make the same. We have to put it here and bring it here. So, here we go. It will not easy now because, a lot of nylon that inside this one. So now here, there, you see? Yes. So we will do the same thing with it on your okay. Now we're almost done. So we have to lock this. So we need to lock, see? And it's here, please do. Now we're almost done on our here we go, guys. This is our finished product, a beaded bracelet. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. On my next video, I will show you how to make this beaded cell phone bag. So, thank you for watching. See you next time.